Hello everyone. In the last tutorial I made few pages: home page, about us page, and contact us page. And to make these pages I first made base.html page, which is the base of our template, and this template will be extended in every other templates. That is called template inheritance in Django term. Okay, and here in all of these pages we are extending base.html. In about, we are also extending base.html, and the content only required in about page is written in block content tag, which will be added in this section here. Okay. Now let's move on. To make this site dynamic, we have to make database table and store data in the database table, and fetch content of the fetch content from the database to our HTML page. Okay, so let's first make our simple database. Since I already told you, this is fundamental e-commerce, we are not talking about other features, we are only talking about fundamental features. So I try to make this model very simple. First of all, let's go to our models.py file, where we create a model class, and that model class will be mapped as a database table. So first of all, I need category. I need to store category, so I make category class, which must be models.model class. Okay, so this is not normal Python class, it is model class, because models.model, this model class is inherited in this category class. Okay, so what do we need in our category? First of all, title is necessary. Title is of char field. In char field we need max length, which is equal to 200. Okay, I need the slug field here. Models.slug field, it must be unique. I don't want to add any other field. Let's write str method return self.title. So whenever we call the object of category, then it should return its title, so that we recognize it. And then I want to add product model, models.model. First of all, in product model I want to add product title, careful, max length equals to 200. Similarly, I want to add slug field. Slug field, we don't need max length in slug field. We need to write unique equals to 2, because we want to make it unique. Then we need image, models.image field null equals to true. No, let's make it a required field. Upload to equals to products folder, and then marked price models dot positive integer field, also selling price equals to models dot positive integer field. I also want description models dot text field. I also want to warranty equals to models dot char field. Max length equals to how much, 300. But null equals to true, blank equals to, I'm making it non-required field. Okay, return policy equals to models dot same thing. I want to copy. Okay, return policy in description, and you can write many other fields. but view count is also I want to deal with positive integer field default equals to 0. Another thing you want to make is while uploading the product you need categories. So here we also want category as a field. Model start, we want foreign key to category, and on delete equals to model start cascade. Foreign key means the key of the category object. Okay, so this relation means that a category have many products, but a product must have only one category. Okay, many to one relationship. So in foreign key relationship we have to give another option on delete. So on delete equals to model start cascade here means that whenever we delete a category, then it will delete all the products related to that category. Okay, so if you don't want to that functionality, you have another option, set null etc. So def underscore str underscore self return self dot title similarly. Okay, let's complete model, all other models. I want to make a cart model here, class cart. Model start model cart. For cart we need customer, since if we make login we need customer, so I want to create a customer class customer. Model start model user equals to model start 1 to 1 filled with user. I want to import this from Django.country.auth.models import user. Okay, user on delete equals to model start cascade. If we need its full name, then full name equals to model start field max length equals to 200. If we need address, then we can do model start field max length equals to 200. We can set null equals to true, blank equals to true, and many other fields we can use, but I am leaving it as it is. Sorry. Select full name, and another field that I will use joined on equals to model start date time field of to now age equals to true. Whenever customer registers, then the date will be associated with it, and I want to relate it with model start foreign key, foreign key with customer on delete equals to models dot set null equals to true, blank equals to true. This means that a customer may have many cards, but a card is of only one customer. Okay, a card must be of only one customer, and I'm setting it null true, blank true because I want unauthenticated user to create card. That is, no login is required while creating the card. Customer, then I want total amount models dot positive integer field default, I want to set default value 0. And another thing that I want to enter here is the created at models dot date time field auto now add equals to true, so that the card created date is automatically filled. Def underscore str and cell return, I want to return card and plus str self dot id. Okay, I want to return card and card id. Then I want to add another model class called class card product. Card product is different from product. Okay, if I put a product into a cart, that is actually card product. Models dot model, first of all I should write in which card this card product belongs. So models dot foreign key with card on delete equals to models dot cascade. So the relation in this foreign key relationship implies that a cart may have many cart product. That is, when you go to the shopping center, then you add many items to cart, and if your cart is, that is, one cart may have many cart products, and if you delete the cart, then all cart products related to that cart must be deleted. Okay, then I want to relate with products. Models dot foreign key product, because a cart, we have product in our cart, and for this model start I want to make it cascade as well. Okay, product, sorry, I forgot to write on delete equals to models dot cascade. Another field I required is rate models dot positive integer field, and another field I want to add is quantity models dot, it should be also positive integer field. We will not play on decimal field. Okay, product, rate, quantity and sub total equals to models dot positive integer field, because integer calculation always, integer multiplication and addition always gives integer. Okay, positive integer field. Then let's str method. So we don't need str method here, but I'm going to write it. So return self dot, I want to do similar tasks here. Self dot cart dot id is cart id plus cart product colon str self dot id. So it shows first of all self means cart product object, dot cart means cart object, and id means cart id. Okay, this cart id, and then cart product id I want to return, but you don't have to do this. And another field that I wanna write here is class order. So if the cart is checked out, then order object must be created and it should be stored in order table. So models dot model, first of all this is related to cart on 1 field with cart on delete equals to models dot cascade, and here we want customers. We also write a customer field here, but I already included it in it. And what other things I want? Full ordered by, or they are ordered by equals to models dot care field max length equals to 200, shipping address models dot care field max length equals to 200, shipping address mobile equals to models dot models dot care field max length equals to 15. I should do it 10. Email equals to models dot email field null equals to true, blank equals to true. Okay, and orders, okay, subtotal equals to models dot positive integer field, and discount equals to models dot positive integer field, and subtotal discount and total equals to models dot positive integer field. That means all the cart product subtotal sum is copied in the subtotal, and if coupon code is allowed, then that discount amount is stored in discount, and subtotal minus discount will be total. Okay, now other field, order status equals to models dot care field max length equals to 200, not 250, but choices equals to, I want to make it a choice field, and choices equals to order status, order status, and I want to define order status here. Order status equals to, I want to make tuple of the tuple, and this is the syntax for Django to make care field as a select field. First of all, order received order order processing, here is a D, order processing order on the way, and finally order completed, order cancelled. And this syntax is used by Django. The first value is stored in database, and the second value is shown in the form. This is the syntax. Okay, I'll show you later. Def underscore str and self return self dot order str self dot order self dot id. Okay, and another thing that I want to make is created at equals to models dot date time failed now equals to not now. Okay, auto now add equals to true. Okay, leave it as simple as possible. Then whenever you change your models.py fields and other modify this, what you have to do is you have to create a migration code. Here you can see in your migrations folder there is only init.py file, and if I do python manage.py make migrations, then a migration code is created. Okay, 001 initial migration. Here all of your classes are included. This is a migration code which is created by the management command make migrations, and then I want to migrate it to make actual database table. And after I entered migrate command, then database table is created. Let's run our server, python manage.py run server. Okay, if I run the server and everything is working fine, but what things are changed is, let's go to our admin panel 127.0.0/admin. It is asking for us for username. In my case this is admin. And if you haven't created super user yet, you can create super user by a management command called python manage.py create super user. Okay, in this way you can create new super user, but in my case I have already super user. Here groups and users model class are shown, but our model class there are many model class that we just made: customer, category, product, cart, product, order. They are not shown. So how to show this in this admin panel? So to show this in admin panel, we have to go to our admin.py file. First of all, we have to import from .models. Okay, .models means same folder models file. Import your customer class, your other category class, but for convenience I am importing all. And to register admin.site.register, you can register individual model class, but I want to pass list. So here customer and category, then product, then cart, product, then what order, etc. I think all are included. Let's place it in front of our code and admin.py. Now we can remove it. Let's refresh. Then all of the items are, all of the model classes are shown. That means we can now store store our data in database. Let's first realize how is our category. Okay, when we go to category, then 0 categories means our database does not have any category. So let's create one. This feature is provided by Django. I just want to make 2 categories. First category is electronics items, and electronics items. You have to make slugs by replacing space by a dash symbol. Okay, if you are having trouble to see, I'm gonna zoom it. Okay, like this. One category created, and for another category clothing and fashion, and see clothing and fashion. Let's save it. And there are 2 categories now. Let's leave it and let's create a product here. First product is what? Rolex watch. Rolex watch. Category, in which category Rolex watch falls? Electronics. Okay, this is the foreign key relationship. We can select one category for one product. For image, I have already downloaded some image. Where is Rolex? Here is Rolex. Okay, marked price. Its marked price is let's make it 15,000, and selling price is 12,500. Description: Rolex is the best was that we have. Okay, so here you are seeing that all these titles are bold. Okay, but here you can see these two fields are not bold, that is they are non-required field, but view count is required field. Whenever user views the detail of the watch, then we will increase the view count by 1. Okay, so let's put warranty 2 years warranty and return policy 1 week return if not damaged, conditions apply. Let's leave it as it is. Okay, we have created a product. Let's create another product. First of all, LED monitor. Okay, LED desk monitor. I want to rename it Dell LED monitor. Dell LED monitor. Category is electronics item. Email is Dell monitor. Okay, I've chosen random items. It cost around 20,000, but discounted price is 18,000. This is the base 32 inch monitor. If you like to increase the content of the description, then you can copy and paste. 3 years warranty, 1 month return time. Okay, let's create another iPhone X Pro. iPhone X Pro. It is also electronics item. Let's put image. Where is iPhone? Here is iPhone. Mark price how much? 50,000, 45,000, and this is the smartest mobile ever. But I want to copy the content. Control A, Control C, Control V, copied content, warranty same. Okay, let's add another item. So what should be the another item? Samsung TV, Samsung television. It is also electronics item. Samsung television. Yes, there is a Samsung television. It cost us 45,000, but discounted price is 42,000. Description: this is the Samsung television, and let's copy and paste the thing. Warranty 3 year, 1 month return time. Okay, let's now add clothing item. Okay, pants, no pants, blazers, men's blazer, men's daily JDR, clothing and fashion. Men's blazer. Where is men's blazer? Is there men's blazer? Men's casual. Okay, 3,500, 3,000, and this is also men's blazer. This is the men's blazer. Okay, warranty to no warranty, 1 year return policy. Okay, and then let's add another women's BLA JDR blazer, women's dash BLA JDR, clothing and fashion. Image is first. Marked price 45,000, not that expensive. 4,000 and description, this is the woman's really retail blazer. Writing description is 2 1 year return, no 1 year return policy, 1 week return if not damaged, conditions apply. Then what are other products available in the iPhone laptop? Okay, HP laptop, oh no, HP laptop, electronics item, where is laptop, 60,000, 58,000. This is the best laptop ever. Zooming problem, 2 years warranty, 1 week return policy. Okay, and then last one, sari, clothing, sari, where is sari? Sari, how much? 5,000, 4,500, 1,000, no, 1,000, 100. This is the best sari. Okay, no warranty, 1 week return if not damaged. Okay, now we have already added how much product? 8 products. Now we have two categories and 8 products. So in this session I first made customer database, get customer table, that is one model class is called database table. Okay, category table, product table, cart table, cart product table, and order. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can comment there, and I'll be happy to give you answers and suggestions. Okay, let's stop this session for now and we'll continue it in another video. Thanks.